Hey there, Authentic family. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the most authentic car reviews and insights. Today we have something special for you, the 2025 Ford Pinto. Yep, you heard it right. Ford has resurrected the Pinto, and it's nothing like its infamous predecessor. So let's dive in and check out what this modern marvel has to offer. The 2025 Ford Pinto is a compact car with a modern twist. It's got a sleek, aerodynamic design that turns heads on the street. Ford has really stepped up the game with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and smooth lines that give it a sporty yet sophisticated look. Let's talk features. The new Pinto comes with a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering an impressive 180 horsepower. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. Plus, there's a hybrid variant for those who are eco-conscious, offering even better fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a modern, spacious interior. The 2025 Pinto boasts a high-tech dashboard with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are made of premium materials, providing both comfort and style. And there's plenty of legroom for passengers in the back. The infotainment system is super user-friendly. You can easily navigate through the menus, connect your smartphone, and even access voice controls. Plus, there's a wireless charging pad, so you can keep your devices powered up on the go. Performance-wise, the 2025 Pinto handles like a dream. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it on the highway, it offers a smooth ride with excellent stability. The suspension system has been finely tuned to absorb bumps and provide a comfortable driving experience. Overall, the 2025 Ford Pinto is a fantastic blend of style, performance, and modern technology. It's a compact car that's perfect for urban commuting and long drives alike. Ford has truly reinvented the Pinto, making it a strong contender in the compact car segment. So what do you think about the 2025 Ford Pinto? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Authentic for more car reviews and automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.